We are in the game of the week. We're actually going to flip the coin here.
Game of the week.
That is a head.
Hey Shepard, where do you buy them socks? Huh? Where do you buy them socks? Like,
Marshall, what would you like to do?
That was heads.
Nice.
Yeah, he called tails.
Oh, he didn't call. He just
Fall down. Right. We're on the same team in the same football, so.
We're fucking tackling.
Marshall, what are you doing?
They'll take the ball in the second half.
There's no deferring the field.
No.
In case you guys didn't know that. That's why I'm deferring. I am.
They're going to kick off. Which way would you like to go?
It don't matter. Either way, we're in some way.
All right, kickoff between the 5-0 Crunch and the 3-2 Mushroom Brews.
Got it.
Down.
1, 2, rush, 4. Nice. 1, 2.
Second down. First down after the break. Second down. Ball at about the 15-yard line.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5. Like that.
Rocked on video. Marshall Matlock really nailed. Third down.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5.
Touchdown. Touchdown purple. 6-0 Fantasy. Fantasy's extra point try.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5. Nice. 7.
Nate Bassey with the extra point. Fantasy up 7-0. Captain Crunch first offensive series.
2, rush, 4, 5.
Second down.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5.
Third down Crunch. Need about 5 yards to get a first.
2, rush, 4, 5, 6, 7. One,
First down.
rush,
Crunch.
4, 5.
Nice pull.
Down to about the 5-yard line. Second down.
Rush, 4,
Second down.
5.
See his left-handed throw?
I saw his left-handed throw. It was brilliant. I almost missed it. Got
Third
it.
down.
Good Jedi with the black glove. Third down and the
2,
goal from the
Rush.
5.
4, 5, 6.
That was a touchdown for Kurtz.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5. Oh, shit!
That was a fumble recovered by Fantasy, recovered by Crunch for a conversion. 7-7. First down. The game is tied 7-7 after a wild extra point play.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5.
Stay there, Marsh.
7.
You got it. Go.
Second down. Fantasy.
1, 2, rush, 4.
Go. Got him short. I know. He saw it out there. I thought maybe.
Spotted just short. Third down and about 1. Third down.
1, 2, rush, run!
Go, baby, go.
First down on the called running play.
1,
First down after the run.
4, 5,
Got him, Marshall.
6, 7.
Second down. We've got Luke Thompson in the slot. Jeff Johnson centering.
1,
Could be a trick play.
rush, 4, 5.
It was not a trick play. Third down. Third down.
One, two,
Run! Nice shot. Hey, nice job. Fourth down.
It's a critical play in the game. We got fourth down. Score tied 7-all. We are at the 10-yard line.
one, two, rush, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Run, Robbie.
Yeah, nice job, guys.
Go offense. Okay. D stop.
Kurtz made a play. I don't believe it.
1, 2, rush, 4, Marshall, 5.
What's up, babe? Hey, look. It takes long to get him.
Crunch. Game tied 7-all.
1,
We're coming.
run.
Go. Oh,
Bubba!
Pick it up. Down. Third down. Wait.
Third down crunch. Third and about a yard, it looks like, to the sticks.
1, 2, rush, 4.
It's a good flagpole. Colby Falk bitching.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5.
Oh, nice.
Go.
That is a touchdown pass by Dickey and reception by Dickey, just so you know. That's a touchdown reception for Dickey.
That's what we've resorted to. He just started throwing to himself now.
Dickey just throws to himself for a touchdown. Batted ball, touchdown. Dickey to Dickey. Crunch leads by 6.
Rush, 4,
Marshall.
5.
That's a Jeff Johnson flagpole. Only 6. It's a defensively sound young man right there. First ever quarterback to throw himself a touchdown. Crunch lead by 6.
1, 2, rush,
I got him.
5.
You got to come back.
6.
Nice job. Nice job.
One, 2,
Middle,
Run.
crossing.
4, 5,
Run.
6.
Run. Nice job, boys. Nice job, B.
Big third down. Third and about, looks like 10.
Blitz.
1, 2, rush.
Hey, long way to go now. Long way to go.
First
1, 2, rush. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Go, baby, go.
PFFL's friendly. It's a lot of friendship out here. Critical second down here. Fantasy a chance to tie the game up. Could take the lead with the extra point.
One, 2, rush.
Count it. Drop that.
Drop by Nate Bassey.
Third down. Close available.
It's third down.
Hey, back up.
1, 2,
Go.
rush.
Down there, Connor. Touch. Fumble. Nice job. Fumble.
Sacked by rookie Eric Conrad. Amendment to that play, we have an offsides ruling by McKinney. That is a defensive offsides. We will replay the down.
Yeah.
Replay the down, offensive offside or defensive offsides on Conrad.
1, 2, rush. 4.
Got him short.
Just short, fourth down. It's like 4th and 1.
Right here.
That was 5 yards over here, but I was past.
By that pylon, we're in. By that one, we're short. No, there's only one straight line.
One pylon to the other pylon, it's straight across. Turn your body like this.
There tends to be some bitching.
No, I think it's either. It's a line
The back of the end zone's the same way, though.
There's only one straight
There
line.
tends to be some bitching by fantasy. They believe they've scored. McKinney says that, where does he go? McKinney says he did not.
140 and
Two critical calls by a rookie official. Fourth down.
One, two. Block in the end zone. Hold up, block in the end zone. Don't it? No, really. He was in the end zone. Block. No, really. I never came out of the end zone. So if they block us, seriously. No, you. Let's go. That's your point.
Pitching the other way now. An apparent blocking in the end zone. Fantasy to take the lead here. 13 all.
1, 2, rush, hold.
No, you got him. You got him.
We didn't blow the whistle.
I don't know.
You didn't blow the whistle. That's touchdown. That's touchdown.
You called it?
You didn't blow the whistle. You blow it now.
Cut him.
There was no whistle blown. There was no flag pulled.
Good job, Bill.
Alright, good job.
With Ian. With Ian. You can't please everybody.
What's the game clock?
That is it's a controversial extra point which gives Fantasy a 1-point lead.
Rush, get him, hold. 5, 6, 7.
Nice.
Second down for Crunch.
1, 2, rush, hold. 5, 6, 7. Two,
Third down.
4, 5.
Luke Thompson hitting people again. Now there's a fight. Stop. Oh, whoa. I thought we were going to have action.
Rush, hold.
Clock's running. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Gets out of bounds. Third down. How much time?
8 seconds.
There is 8 seconds left according to the clock. This is Ebony and Ivory. Call third down with 8 seconds left to go in the game. In the half, I should say, in the half. That is a Stacy Smith touchdown off of a Nate Bossy blitz attempt. He looks noticeably slower today. Wonderful touchdown, wonderful play. Extra point.
2, rush, hold. 5.
Oh, damn it, my bad, Steve.
This is the last play before halftime. 4 seconds left. Crunch have a 5-point lead.
Wait, how much time? 4 seconds. Yes. We want to kick.
Crunch is elected to kick under the 2 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time and the score is 19-14 Crunch.
And the kickoff, second half. Marshall pulls it. Flag.
Keep going!
Jeff Johnson with the flagpole.
2, rush, hold. 5.
Go! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Alright, first down.
Second and goal. First and goal, I'm sorry.
1, 2, rush, hold. 5, 6.
Touchdown. Extra point.
1, 2,
Live ball.
rush, hold. 5, 6.
Yeah. Go! No. These are good balls. Thomas got it.
The ball way up.
Thomas has it. He said he didn't on this side of the field. Yeah, but Thomas called it. I saw a ball drop.
Down by 12.
1, 2, rush, hold.
Go. I had a Steiner.
Second down.
Why is he catching?
1, 2, rush, hold.
Run!
And he's on the run.
Down.
1, 2,
Third down.
rush, hold. 5, 6.
Touchdown by Bassey.
Is there a penalty?
Extra point.
Sit. 1, 2, rush, hold.
Nice.
7.
Puts it at 26-21. Second down.
One, two, rush, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And he's on the run. Third down.
1, 2, rush, 4.
He's going to punt. Starting a new trend. The socks.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5, 6.
Nice job. Nice
Tackle by Matlock.
Come on now. 3 yards.
Second down.
Watch the screen.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5,
Middle.
6.
Run! Go. Go.
Tackle by Kurtz. First and goal.
1, 2, rush,
Middle.
5.
Completion to Jeff Johnson.
1, 2, rush, 4, 5.
Good D. So you're saying there's no touch? Yeah, that's what I heard.
1, 2, cross, 4, 5.
Nice job. Nice
Nothing.
job.
Fourth and goal. Critical play.
Rush, 4.
Yeah.
Selected by Dickey.
Yeah.
Bassey looks heartbroken.
Oh, you do? Okay. Hit. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. No catch. No catch.
Second down.
You got the line. Hit. Blitz. What?
Block.
Hey, that worked out great. That worked out fine.
Third down.
Third. Hit. 1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000.
Drop by the Smitty.
Fourth
Get
down.
up.
Fourth down.
Stop. They're going to punt.
You got first. Both available. 10 on the play clock. 1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000. Right here in the short.
Down.
1,000. 2,000. Rush.
Got it.
Goal.
1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000.
Run!
Keep going! Yeah!
Touchdown Shepherd. Kurtz can't believe it. Fantasy Eisner's taking the lead, going for the extra point.
I got it. 1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000. Nice. Got it right there. No way. Let's go off the flag. Now he got you. Hey, let's drive it down. Come on. He got you when you were spinning. Hey, how much time? 3?
Let's go.
3:24.
3:24.
No.
Big stop. Let's go.
26-27. First down.
1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. 5,000. 6. Good. Good play.
30 seconds left in the game. Second down right before the 30. Is Dickey going to run?
I got the deep. 10 on the play clock. Hit. 1,000. 2,000. Rush. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000. Oh, baby. Woo! Oh, baby! Woo!
Shepherd with an interception.
1,000.
Comes the blitz to Bassey. As he takes a shot.
Timeout. Give him out now.
Give him some hair gel.
What was the whistle? He fumbled. What was the whistle? The flag was pulled before the fumble. They called a timeout. I called a timeout. Rush, gone.
You're running?
Dead. You got an official timeout there?
How you feeling, Bassy?
Gone. We're running it.
You look a little hazy.
Blitz is gone. Rush is available.
All right, Luke, you want to take
No blood, no foul.
Let's go.
Second down.
Hurry.
Hustle up. 1. 1 1000. 2 1000. Rush. 4 1000. 5. Run! Get the ball! There we go. What? Go for the ball. Go for the ball. Nah. Sit on the ground. Tripped over. Yeah. 4. 1 1000. 2 1000. Rush. 4 1000. 5 1000. Yes!
No catch.
4th down.
4th and 5.
For both sides.
All right, now the controversy's over. Time to get back to some football.
1 1000. 2 1000. Rush. 4 1000. 5 1000. Can't run. 6 1000. 7 1000.
Excellent catch by Luke.
Hey, Mitch.
Timeout.
That was a good grab. That was a good grab. 1st and goal.
Hey, Hensler, how much time? 4 seconds.
We got 54 seconds on the clock.
Great. You guys got 2 over. How many they have? 1? Hey, we still got timeout, right? Yes, still on timeout. Come here. Still on it. Still on timeout. We got a timeout.
All right.
54 seconds.
Crunch calling a timeout.
1 1000. 2 1000. Rush. 4 1000. 5 1000.
All right. Get you some of that 5-hour energy.
All right. I wouldn't have scored it. Let's do it.
Pick up that blitz.
1 1000. 2
Comes
1000.
blitz.
Rush. 4 1000. 5 1000.
Bassy wide open in the end zone.
Come on now, let's go. Got 1 timeout remaining.
Fantasy has now taken the lead again, 34-26. We're going to see a repeat in Dickey's playmaking abilities. 47 seconds left on the clock, down a touchdown. I'm expecting 1 run by Dickey, and then a last-minute Hail Mary. It'll get tipped 3 times before somebody brings it in the end zone. It's under 30 seconds. Ball's right before the 30.
1 1000. 2 1000. Rush.
Dickey's marching them down.
5 1000. Get out. Senior rail.
Clock stopped. Got a 1st down. 21 seconds left in the game. Crunch is down to touchdown.
Jesus Christ! 4th down. 4 1000. 5 1000. 6 1000. 7 1000.
That is the ball game. Fantasy Island wins it, 34-26.